Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to tackle a coding problem from HackerRank. But before that, please like and subscribe. The problem asks us to read 5 values from the user: an integer, a long integer, a character, a float, and a double. We then need to print each value on a new line, following specific formatting requirements. Let's start by including the necessary header files. We'll need IOStream for input-output operations and IO-man. IP for formatting the floating point values. We'll declare variables to store each of the input values. Let's use I for integer, L for long integer, C for character, F for float, and D for double. Now, we'll read the input values from the user using cin. Finally, we'll print each value on a new line. For the integer and long integer, we can directly print them using cout. For the character, we'll print it as it is. For the float and double, we'll use fixed and set precision to format them to the required decimal places. That's it. We've successfully read the input values and printed them in the desired format. The key points to remember are using in for input, out for output, and IO-man IP for formatting floating point values. You can also explore other formatting options provided by IO-man IP, such as set W for setting the field width and left or right for justifying the output. If you have any questions or want to explore more coding challenges, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more coding tutorials.